Greetings to one and all. You're listening to MMJC updates. In today's edition, we will be discussing about two regulatory updates. One issued by SEBI and second issued by RBI. So first to begin with the SEBI Circular. In June 2025, that is on 26th June 2025, SEBI in consultation with Industry Standards Forum, that is ISF, had issued a RPT guidelines for giving minimum information to Audit Committee and shareholders before passing RPT related resolutions. SEBI has issued one more circular on October 13, 2025, through which it has provided some threshold-based relaxations from compliance of the earlier circular. This circular is effective immediately, that is from October 13, 2025. So, as per this circular, the thresholds, that is, if the transaction value is below rupees 1 crore, then no minimum data has to be given as per this circular. Further, if the transaction value is 1% of consolidated turnover of the entity or 10 crore rupees, whichever is lower, then minimum data has to be given, basic minimum data has to be given as prescribed under Annexure 13 of this circular. And if the threshold limit is above this limit, then minimum data has to be given as prescribed in the June 25 circular. So, what consists of minimum data as described in Annexure 13 of the circular? So, it is as I mentioned earlier, it is very basic. So, what is the relation with the related party? What is the transaction value? What exactly is the transaction? What are are there any concerns or interest? Loan and investment related details, etc. So this exemption is basically given to reduce paperwork and increase transparency, specifically related to small transactions. So that is it about RPT circular. Now moving to FEMA updates. So RBI has come up with two frameworks which it has displayed for public comments. So one relates to external commercial borrowings and second relates to opening of branch or offices in India by foreign entities. So presently these are open for public comments and public comments can be given up to 24th October 2025 on both these draft regulations. So as far as ECBs, that is external commercial borrowings, are concerned, the proposed regulation are proposing they aim at increasing flexible borrowing limits, market linked borrowings, and thirdly relate to reduced simplicity. Increased simplicity. And next about the opening of branches and offices in India by foreign entities. So there, the compliance is made principle based. The compliance is made principle based, and more authority is given to the banks, wherein the small and basic transactions will be looked by the banks, and if anything sensitive is there or any complications are there, then it may go to RBI. So again, this also aims at bringing ease of doing business and wants to facilitate borrowings by Indian companies from international market. So that is all in this edition of MMJC updates. Please feel free to write to us about your feedbacks. Thank you.